One of our great joys here on a Gulf Coast Journal is to be able to introduce you to women and men of great talent, especially those in whom are blended differing talents. Here's an example, a treat for the ear. Playing the piano well requires nimble fingers. Nimble fingers Herb Silverstein proudly displays. He took piano lessons as a child, but gave up playing when he went to college. It'd be 30 years before he would again touch the keyboard.
My son David brought me home a record of Chick Corea and Herbie Hancock, and he said, "Dad, jazz has come back. You better listen to this."
He listened and he sat down at the piano again.
And so I started taking lessons. Had to learn one note at a time. It was very, very painful, very difficult to learn at 48 years of age.
He practiced in earnest and embraced the music he loved the most, jazz. After 10 years of practice, Herb began recording CDs of his favorite tunes.
As I became associated with a wonderful bass player, Richard Drexler, who gave me a lot of inspiration to start writing music, which I hadn't done very much of.
Richard told Herb recording cover songs wasn't enough.
What you need to do is come up with your own material. That gives really a justification for releasing a new album.
I started writing, and in the few years that I've been with him, I've written about 20 songs.
This is the title song of his latest CD, Beach Walker.
My playing changed 100% when I met Richard Drexler, who's probably one of the best bassists in the country. I mean, he's done 300 CDs, and he's a fantastic pianist, and he's my teacher.
I know I've got a good student when I start teaching, and I learn as much myself as the student probably is learning, because, you know, they pull it out of you, and you wind up explaining things different ways.
But this is not about a struggling musician trying to find his way.
You know, he'll occasionally say something about, I could really develop as a jazz pianist if I didn't have this business to run, you know, and go to. He's got this big building and all these people working for him, and of course I know he's eminent in that field too.
All right. Hi. How you doing today?
That field is medicine.
Your surgery okay? And
Yes, sir.
any pain or complaints?
It's manageable.
Yeah.
In Sarasota at the Silverstein Institute, Herb Silverstein is known as Dr. Silverstein, world-renowned ear specialist.
We wanted to have an encompassing institute that had everything in it, where we could take care of the patient from the neck up. I can see right through her eardrum.
Dr. Silverstein is well respected in the medical field for his extensive research and innovative approaches to hearing problems. He developed a less invasive procedure to repair damaged eardrums. He invented a successful treatment for Meniere's disease.
The way I used the research was to try to help me develop new equipment, new procedures that would make our treatment for our patients better.
Exploring music is an extension of Dr. Silverstein's surgical skills. He believes one helps the other.
Many times you get into a situation where you didn't expect to see what you're seeing, and you have to improvise and make up something right on the spot to make the patient be able to hear. So that's very similar to the jazz, where you're improvising on melodies that you've created or songs that you're playing.
His musical talents also benefit his research. Proceeds from his CDs help fund his Ear Research Foundation.
We've done 9 of them, and we've raised quite a bit of money, over $120,000 over the last 12 years doing this. You want some of my music?
I would love some of your music.
Patients love it. They see the doctor, another side of him, that he's not just a doctor. This is one of my older CDs, and I've done 9 of them now.
To Herb, it's about balancing his love of music and his love of medicine.
I've been a researcher all my life, and I've developed many operations and instruments, and I'm always trying to do things better. So that's what makes medicine exciting for me.
Both passions drive him to dig deeper, reach further, discover something new.
The music is similar to that. You're always striving to play better. You're never happy, and you're trying to make it better by practicing.
To Dr. Silverstein, success is the ability to treat the ear with the art of medicine and the art of music.